What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. But today I'm going to be going and getting rid of this nasty brake dust you can see right here on my truck, hopefully. So I went and I looked it up, I researched it. Everybody says, oh, these brakes work good, these brakes don't work good, these brakes, whatever. It's like 50-50, just like it is with the U-joint video that you guys probably have already watched. If not, go and get down there and watch that video of me replacing the U-joints in the front end of this truck. Everyone's like, these brakes work good, no brake dust. Then someone else says, these brakes work good, but there's still a ton of brake dust. My thing is getting rid of the brake dust because it is absolutely awful in these vehicles. So I researched and researched and researched, and the one I came up with was this. Power Stop Extreme, good for heavy duty trucks and towing brake pads. So I was like, that's a 2500, it would look good. Low dust formula for fast braking, and then hardware included. These are ceramic brake calipers. Also, let's look at what the box says. Slow down from 40 to 10. Yeah, cool. So it sounds like they are some good pads here. This is the first time opening them. These are the hardware. I don't know what this is. Ceramic silicone brake component lubrication. Ooh, fancy. Oop, and it's already on my hands. And we got the brake pads right here, guys. So we are going to get them installed today. Okay, guys, I want to show you a little trick. The brakes are all put on, but I want to show you guys something that I do on my vehicles that other people might not, but I'm going to recommend this to you guys because it's a very good tip or trick if you want to know it. As you guys can see, the cap is off of my brake fluid because I was just pressing the brakes back out, and I never put any brake fluid in this unless it gets below the min line, which is down all the way down here, and they were about right there. And if you guys want to know when you need to change your brakes, more so your front ones probably, or even your back ones, when this gets close to the min line, I would be checking your brakes. And then, because look, I pressed them back out and the max line is right here, and the truck's sitting at a little bit of an angle, so it would probably be right at the max line when I set the truck down off the jack stands. So that is a good tip or trick for you guys if you want to know. When you're down to the min, one of your brake pads probably needs change, or a set, either front or rear brake pads probably needs changed. And unless you get a leak somewhere, then that's even worse. And then when you get, after you press them back up, it should be right at the max line. So guys, I got the wheels all back on the truck. I will be cleaning the wheels here because the truck is just filthy. I probably won't drive it much this winter, but it is just filthy. You can't, you can see it down there, but you can't see it right here. Now you can, you can see it there. So yeah, the truck is filthy. It's gonna get cleaned here very soon. Look at these bugs. It's not even bug season anymore. Look at that, all over the front. All over the front, it's ridiculous. So I need to get the truck all cleaned up before winter hits and I don't drive it very much. Yes, but I will be testing the brakes out. I use the Stop Power Extreme, the heavy duty towing brakes and all that good stuff on the truck. And it's supposed to be ceramic, low dust. So hopefully we won't be having that anymore. So I'll clean the truck up soon and then I'll give you guys how the brakes are working on the truck and the brake dust, and hopefully the results will show for themselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.